Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play 7 Days to Die in virtual reality. First, ensure you have a PC VR headset and the game installed. The 7D mod brings full motion controls and 6 degrees of freedom tracking to the game. Make sure your game version is compatible with the mod, and remember to disable Easy Anti-Cheat for the mod to function correctly. Next, let's get the mod installed. You'll need to download the 7D mod files, typically found on modding community websites. Once downloaded, extract the contents into your 7 Days to Die installation directory. Look for or create a mods folder there. It's crucial that the mod info XML file is correctly placed within the mod-specific folder inside your mods directory. Now let's optimize your experience. In Steam VR, untick Use Desktop Game Theater for 7 Days to Die. Within the game's VR options, you can fine-tune comfort settings such as smooth or snap turning. For smoother gameplay, consider reducing graphics settings, particularly shadows, which can significantly impact performance. Remember to calibrate your in-game height and choose between seated or standing mode for optimal immersion. Finally, it's time to enjoy the game in VR. You can use motion controls for physical melee combat and interacting with the world. Familiarize yourself with controller shortcuts for efficient inventory management and quick actions. The mod also supports first-person vehicle controls, even offering child-lock seat belts for gyrocopters. For any questions or the latest updates, consider joining the active 7D VR modding community on Discord.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.